Hey YouTube, petey twofinger back. Today I'm going to be talking about pedal chassis screws. These are some screws that I obtained from eBay. When you're talking about building your own pedal, most often we're using something that's called a Hammond box, which is an aluminum enclosure. And sometimes when you get those screws, they'll be a lower quality. Like this last time, I got a pair of really large chassis. I forgot what they were called. But yeah, the screws were really not good. And another thing that'll happen is oftentimes if you put off a project, you'll open up the chassis and then misplace the screws. So you may come to the point where you find yourself needing chassis screws. That's what this video is about. So what you're going to look for is, I found these on eBay. They are number 6-32, and that 32 is the pitch. The pitch that so it's a diameter is the number 6, and the thread pitch is 32 TPI UNC/coarse thread. It's a number 2 Phillips flathead 82-degree machine screw. Okay, and mine, I purchased these in a 1/2 inch length. So so you can see there's a couple of them there, what they look like about. Maybe I'll try to do a little better than that so you can look at it. But yeah, I paid $4.86 for 50 of these, which is, it seems like a lot of money, but hardware is always ridiculously expensive. That's about what it looks like. And the place that I was able to pick these up, I know actually my wife went out once and grabbed me some of these by herself. She was able to get the right ones and bring them home. She got a pack from the Home Depot. But those numbers that you're looking for is the number 6-32 flathead machine screw, 82-degree countersunk A2 18-8 stainless steel, and they were the 1/2 inch. Basically, it's a number 6-32. And what you're going to want to look for is a Phillips. As far as the head goes, you want it to taper down. You want the screw to kind of one of those, and then up here was where the Phillips screwdriver would go in. You don't want any kind of a square screw, because that's just not how they're machined. They're machined at that like angle where it snugs up in there. So you will find these screws with different heads, Allen heads. What you're going to want to make sure is, as long as it has that, like if you want to put goofy Allen heads on your screws, that's fine, but all of the ones that I saw that were different usually had that kind of a flat on the bottom side. They weren't that angled thing that you see with the Phillips type. So again, not the greatest deal. This isn't a value, but it's certainly nice to have. Now I've got 50 of them, and this is something that you may find yourself in a position of needing some replacements. And I thought I would do a quick video on that and give you those numbers, specifically number 6-32, and someone that may be useful for someone. Anyway, since I got you here, I guess I could show you what I'm doing. I've got a chassis here, which is painted. So these screws would be the ones that would go in here to hold the bottom on, and then here is the circuit board that I'm working on this right now. I'm going to be screwing on the potentiometers, and this is for what's called a Leica fuzz. And as you can see, the transistors are not installed on it. It's germanium transistor fuzz, which is, it's a little bit more picky as far as the parts, the transistors that you install in it. So I'm going to be testing those transistors before I install them. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you around. Good luck with your project. Enjoy. That's the most important thing, is that you don't work when you're tired or angry. Yesterday I did a long run on these, two of them, building two of them, and it started getting not fun at the end of the night. I was really aggravated. One of the bags of transistors was not with the other parts, and we assumed that I had forgotten to order them. So I got all worked up about that, and I ordered some, which it was like $1.80 or something, you know. And then when we were cleaning up, my wife said, "Up, here they are." So this morning when I woke up, I could not walk. I was hunched over and I was moaning and making all kinds of noise with every very slow step that I took. And that was just from overdoing it yesterday. So today's been a rough day. I really don't want to do any more work on these, but I know I should. So it turns out I'm short on the DP/DT toggle switches. I ordered on, and I needed to get on, and then I also needed on, and I didn't read it properly. I just ordered all on. So live and learn, and wait for another at least month now, because it's already Christmas season for shipping. The stuff's going to take 3 months to get here. Like, I ordered something yesterday and they said you should see it by December 25th. Really? It's October 23rd, you know. Anyway, congratulate me. I'm going to be a grandpa. I found that out. And hey, we'll see you soon. Peace.